So the bees have been swamped out of the board, or out of the box. So the bees have been swamped out of the box onto this board leading up to the hive, and they're just they're scent fanning inside the hive. And so the bees are just marching into the hive like it's a bee superhighway. Look at them go, it's rush hour. You know, I just realized all this video is going to be sideways. So we swamped the bees from the box onto this board in front of the hive, and now the bees are scent fanning at the entrance of the hive. And now it's like a bee superhighway going into the hive. Bees are lined up scent fanning. It's rush hour for the swarm. Starting to disappear. There were probably 10 to 20,000 bees out on this board before I got the camera, and now it's probably a few thousand. See them out on the hive, scent fanning towards the hive. There they go, you can see them marching in.